What's going on, everybody? Here with an unboxing of the new Rode Podmic. Now, this is something I'm going to add to my arsenal of audio equipment within my setup at home. And as I take this out the box, the first thing I notice about this whole thing is that this little mic has some weight to it. Like, I thought it was going to be a little lighter, but as you can tell, it's made out of solid metal, which is great when it comes to standing your mic on a stand or a boom arm. As far as the Rode arm, I forgot the actual name of it. I think it's the Rode arm, whatever it's called. But the boom arm that everybody pretty much uses in all their videos, as far as podcast setup or radio setup, they all had this type of arm within their setup. So, well, this Rode Pod mic will come in handy when it comes to just like having an extra body there. Like, say if I'm having my podcast going up and running, and somebody else comes along to the studio, I can just pull this mic out and just add it to the whole Rodecaster Pro setup. So that's great. And also that you can kind of use this as a voiceover and tell me if you like it or not, because I'm pretty much using the pod mic right now. So when it comes down to it, this is showing you how versatile this mic can be. If you needed a mic, and it's dirt cheap in my opinion, it's only $100. So if you needed a solid mic to get up and running and you didn't want to go with a USB, whether you want an XLR so you can get the best quality as far as audio, you can't go wrong with this microphone. So I definitely recommend it for the price point. The Blue Yeti, I think the Blue Yeti Pro was $150, and this is $100, and this is much smaller, more compact. You can take this anywhere you go. This is not like one of the microphones. You don't really want a big bulky microphone when you travel. You can kind of take this one with you and pull out an XLR cable, pull out your Zoom H6 recorder or whatever you got, and just start recording. But I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Hope this microphone will be available to all of y'all just like it's available to me. Now with this Rode Pod mic, I don't know if you need a cloud lifter or like another audio source to kind of boost the audio within this mic. I don't know. But I will be trying this with the Rodecaster Pro to see if it's any, you know, difference between using the Zoom H6 or the Rodecaster Pro as far as, podcasting or doing voiceovers as I'm doing right now. So we'll have to see later on in the future if this needs a cloud lifter or any type of another audio source to kind of boost the audio quality. I don't know. Like I said, I'm gonna try it out now. Like I said, I am recording this video over the Rode Pod mic, so as I'm unboxing it, you can hear the voice at the same time and tell me what you think. But that's pretty much it for this Rode Pod mic. I definitely recommend it. It's only $100. Can't go wrong. If you got XLR set up, you could definitely add this within, like I said, your arsenal of audio equipment. And it's real portable. A little weight to it, but it's real portable as far as taking this along and just using a good microphone on the road. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.